Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tensong mentah kesengi ulai thu ubak ketanat PWD kaladapan siah do Henry klur lifeline tingka na kebenta jingshna ya ke surok hapdeng rongsang abagre bat beta sing melim bat ru ya ke jingshna ya ke jingkieng halor kawa Daru jong ke surok jolgau katuli ya kabala pentrei lingba ke skim NLCPR Garo Hills.
Sponsor for construction of road from Rongsang Abagre to Bandal Kona. The tender value is 13 crores 76 lakh 8,000, and construction of bridge over River Daru on Jolgaon Katuli. The tender value is 14 crore 25 lakh 79,400.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the tender value is 13 crore and 14 crore respectively. But for last almost 5 years, the payment made has been not even half of the tender value. So, may I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister the reason thereof?
Sir, in fact, the amount, the pending amount, which was awaiting for the release from the Minister of Honor, I would like to inform the honourable member. In the last quarter, we received the full amount of these particular two projects, and the fund is being released to the concerned division for releasing the final amount.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I was a little bit apprehensive because of the time overrun and the cost overrun, there may be escalation of the cost. But as the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister has already stated that the full amount for the remaining pending payment has already been received by the Ministry. So I would like to get confirmation from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister whether in the current quarter, before the year ending, the full amount will be paid to against these projects.
Yes, sir. In fact, from the Chief Engineer Office, the amount is released to Extreme Engineer Ampati Division on the 28th February 2022. One is for construction of road from Rongsang Abagre, and the other one is for construction of major bridge over River Daru on Jolgaon Katuli Road, sir.